Karan also revealed that you're consulting psychiatrist and you are very aggressive.
आप बाइपोलर हैं, ऐसा भी कहा है उन्होंने।
सबसे पहली बात, आप में से कितने लोगों को पता है बाइपोलैरिटी क्या होती है? करण ने कुछ कहा, आप अब उसका क्वेश्चन बना के मुझे पूछ रहे हो। आई वॉन्ट टू नो फ्रॉम यू एंड फ्रॉम यू व्हाट इज बाइपोलैरिटी।
एक इल्जाम है।
कैसे है? इल्जाम को इल्जाम तब बोला जाता है जब आपको लगता है कि वो इल्जाम वर्दी है, तो आप पहले बताइए।
करण का स्टेटमेंट
करण का स्टेटमेंट है। स्टेटमेंट
you were very aggressive while dating also you used to know post.
Did I come across like that ever? In front of you all?
कि उन्होंने आपने उन पे हाथ उठाया, आपके भाई ने भी हाथ उठाया, ऐसा भी कहा।
See, I'll tell you what. These are the things that happen. Obviously, he's going to say this. He's not going to say हाँ मैंने किया है। जो इंसान का कोई कॉन्शियंस ही नहीं है, अपने बच्चे के लिए नहीं है, अलग होते वक्त नहीं है, आप पीछे से जाके कुछ कर रहे हो, उस इंसान के कमेंट में मैं क्या बोलूँ? It's natural he was going to say that. This is not shocking for me, but a lot of things were. क्योंकि मैं अभी भी stupid और मुझे लगता है ऐसे बोला करण ने, ऐसे बोला। यहाँ आने के पहले मैं बहुत रोई हूँ उसके हर स्टेटमेंट पर। And that's
वो ये भी कह रहे हैं कि आपने खुद ही हेड बैंक किया।
I know he is saying that, but why would I do that? I'm an actor. My face is precious. I have a child. Why would I do that? दूसरी चीज़, let me tell you about bipolarity. ये जो मैंने images आपको दिखाई थी, bipolarity is a mood disorder. It happens due to extreme trauma and it's genetic sometimes. Okay. I was diagnosed with bipolarity. I'm not going to lie about it. I'm not ashamed about it. And it is not a pagal जैसे वो बोल रहा है. Okay, it's a mood disorder. It's a mood disorder. And you all know how balanced I am. I create content. I write about things. I talk about things. ठीक है? I don't have to prove that. And like I said, I'm not here to prove anything. Right? जो पहली images मैंने आपको दिखाई, that was of 2014. उसके बीच में भी बहुत कुछ हुआ. I also have a lot of proof, but like I said, everything I can't show to you all. We had lost our child. अगर आप लोगों में से किसी को पता हो ये बात कि 2014 सितंबर में I was 5 months pregnant and I lost my child. And आप लोगों को पता होगा, मैंने recently एक moms group बनाया है for women who've lost their children. You know, come and talk. क्योंकि जब मुझे उस support group की ज़रूरत थी तो वो support group नहीं था हमारी country में. तो जब मैंने बनाया लॉस दैट चाइल्ड और करण का अब्यूजिव बिहेवियर, ये उसके बाद की इमेजेस थी, ये उसके बाद की इमेजेस थी. आई वांटेड टू गो एंड टॉक टू माय थेरेपिस्ट बिकॉज दिस इज एक्सट्रीम ट्रॉमा व्हेन अ वुमन गोज टू, यू नो, व्हेन शी लूजेज हर चाइल्ड and in the middle of it the husband is beating you, is emotionally unavailable, he was totally detached, you know. And that's when I went to my therapist. हालांकि करण ने मुझे रोका था, he never let me go to the gym, हर चीज़ में he was very controlling. So I went to the doctor. I said that not because of any reason but because I thought that maybe I needed to counsel. And today mental health is given so much importance. जो आज से शायद 5 साल पहले मुझे कोई क्वेश्चन पूछता तो मैं बोलती हाँ मुझे भी नहीं पता है, जो कि एक्चुअली यू नो 2014 में ही हुआ है. एंड आई वॉज डिटेक्टेड विद अ डिप्रेसिव फेज ऑफ बाइपोलैरिटी. ठीक है. एंड आई टुक मेडिकेशन फॉर इट फॉर अबाउट 2 to 3 months और इट वॉज फाइन. ये कब की बात है? 2014 की. उसके बाद I've got that because मुझे पता था आप लोग ये क्वेश्चन पूछोगे. He said something like I'm on medication, right?
He said I was living with a patient since like 4-5 years.
I don't know what this means. It just hurts me.
नहीं. Mama, we are with you. Why are you stressing?
You sure? You're stronger than this.
Yeah. ये सब गलत है, तुझे पता है.
Dinisha, we have to show both the sides. That's why we are asking you these questions. It's nothing to hurt you.
We're not here to show you.
It just shocks me ना कि आदमी को कितना फेक हो सकता है. My last medication was for anti-anxiety. It has got nothing to do with bipolarity. You all know what anxiety is because obviously this man was troubling me. I was not okay, right? It was, my last medication was given on 5th of August 2020. I have the prescription for my doctor. It was just a medication for anti-anxiety and which was a very mild dose. My doctor's name is Dr. Kasi Chawda. He's a psychiatrist. You can reach out to him and ask him about my mental condition.
Dinisha, what about the child custody and everything?
So Karan has been extremely ignorant. जैसे कि मैंने आपको बताया कि when I lost a child, a woman needs therapy, one woman needs to talk to somebody, right? He stopped me. I wanted to work out, he stopped me. छोटी incidents like I got hurt घर पे, अपने आप ही एक चेयर से टकरा के मेरे पैर में लग गई थी कुछ महीने पहले. And I kept saying मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना है, मुझे एक्सरे करना है. अब आप लोगों को लगेगा a strong girl like you, why are you taking permission? Because Karan had all control. मेरे अकाउंट में भी कुछ आता था तो he would transfer it to his account and then he would do whatever he has to do, whether he would pay loans, whether he was doing whatever. अब मेरा तो trust lose ही हो गया. I don't know now what is the reason, right? कि whether the reason was he's going and meeting another person, I don't know what it was. So these, and 2 महीने तक I lived in that fractured finger. It was I think it was a chip of a bone or something, 2 mm bone. And that you can confirm with my doctor, Dr. Ashish Jain, who's an orthopedic. And I don't know what else can I tell you guys.